So as I recall, when last we met, I had gotten the lug nut studs out of the wheels, out of the hubs, I guess you'd say, on the 92 Jeep Cherokee. And here is actually this is the axle shaft, and your lug nut studs. A new one looks like this, an old one looks like that. This is the piece of broken off lug nut where I drilled out the shaft, and these new ones will go inside of here. What I'll do is should be able to reach inside here, holding it with my fingers like this. I might have to get some needle nose pliers to do it, but let's see if I can do it with just my fingers. Yeah, I might need some needle noses. Let's see if I got my trusty old Leatherman here. That works. That always works. Let's set this down over here. We'll grab it like this, sort of, like that. Sort of like that. We'll come in from behind with it like this. We'll scooch it around and get the end sticking out. I might have to put y'all down. I guess I could put y'all down, because it seems like trying to do that and hold y'all at the same time is sort of difficult. I got both hands to work with. I might also have to knock this out of gear. Something like that, because I don't want it to go rolling out of the garage. Might have to put something on the front tire and knock it out of gear. We'll do that. Okay, now supposedly with it out of gear, I ought to be able to turn that axle. Might get the one on the other side in there, right where it's at. And from the back side, like that, like this. I didn't reach the finger back in there. My hands are pretty cold this morning. I thought that would turn, but it won't. Probably because it's a positive traction rear end. But even though it's in neutral, it still won't turn. There you go. That one's in. And I'm going to stick a nut on that. Kind of hold it. I might put a little some kind of prize bar. Stick in the back and give it a little push. Just to kind of go like that. See if we can reach in there and leave the other one in from the back. Hold on my fingers.